Alrighty, here's going. So today I'm going to install this keyless entry system into a 4Runner, Toyota 4Runner, and the central locking box is right here. Just pull that down there. It's just been a bit stubborn, but I'll get that down, and I'll actually wire it all up first, and then I'll record the next part to show you the next stage in it. Alrighty, just to show you here, central locking's now working. So you got unlock, lock, and the wiring code is for this central locking kit, using the negative wiring, the diagram here, using the last one here, the wiring, that one there, okay. So the red, the yellow is to be connected to the earth. I've got the earth line going directly to the body. There's a nice handy spot there, and power is coming from the central locking, from the central locking box itself, which is the white red trace, and then the locking and unlocking, you got red yellow trace and red white trace that the white lines connect to, and that sends a negative pulse to those lines for lock and unlock. It's pretty straightforward actually. So I'll tape all that up and clean it all up, and then the next part is working on the indicators, but I might not do that today. That's I'll just finish this job up here, and that's it there, all in place. All I did was cable tied the box, the keyless entry box, to the central locking box, and it's nice and tidy under there, and that's done. And the brown wire has to go to the indicators, which I'm not doing right now because it's getting dark, and people singing karaoke in the background. I hope that's not some sort of copyright that's going to be on my YouTube video. So we've got the wires underneath there for indicator, but I'll have to just put in the comments later what wires I connected to for the indicator. That brown wire breaks off into two on a diode system. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to call this because I'm trying to talk fast and over the top of the noise in the background, so I don't get any done for any copyright. So thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.